What's up? Okay, so today I'm doing a video on whipping in windy conditions and all that stuff. But let's just say your scenario, you want to go out fishing and the wind is just nuts. You know, the wind is not in your favor. If you want to fish, maybe it's the only time you can fish, and it's windy conditions and all that stuff. So whatever your whipping pole is, check your lure ratings. I think lure ratings is important, so you can have like light lures, light lead, and then also have a heavy amount. So this 8.5 foot medium heavy pole can go up to 1.5 ounce lures. So I got can you hear the I don't know if you guys can hear me because it is windy. Purposely came over here just so the wind is not in my favor. I like this beach access place where I'm at, because like I can go around it. So right now I'm in the crosswinds right now, so it's gonna be blowing on the left, blowing to the left, and then if I go around, it's gonna be on my back. So I'm going to be talking about that as well. It's like if you're fishing in these conditions, you know, where can you take advantage of windy conditions and where to go and all that stuff. So I'm going to do crosswinds. Got a 1 ounce lead. Having a hard time putting this braid through my lead right now because it's so windy. Got it. Got the lead on there. Drop that down. Got a whipping rig set up here on these pre-made rig spools. This is gonna help me cast far in windy conditions when the wind's not in my favor. Also, it's gonna keep my line straight, because with braid, it's gonna fly in the wind, and when you're retrieving, your line's gonna curve, and it gets frustrating after a while. So I'm gonna show you guys how that looks like and what I do in those situations. It is frustrating. It does get irritating after a while, and I usually cut the fishing trip short. Got it all set up there, 1 ounce lead, ready to go. Let's get whipping. Have the GoPro like right on my shoulder, so let me know if you guys like this POV a little bit better, because I noticed when I was in Lanai, all my Moi and my Omilo strikes that I've been getting like didn't look as good. Anyways, I'm gonna fish in this whitewater here. Again, wind's blowing this way, so it's gonna like, once I cast, like whew, my line's gonna just go straight to the left. So I gotta check out spots I can stand without endangering myself, and make sure when my line does slack off to the left, it doesn't get caught up on rocks here. Now I gotta watch it here, but all good. First cast, gonna do a nice little gentle one, and then I'm gonna get, my line went to the left, my braid is already curving to the left there. And doing a moderate retrieve. Hopefully I don't get stuck because it is a 1 ounce lead. But my reel speed is kind of nice. Okay, feeling that tension. Okay. Yeah. So it went to the left and all that stuff. Gotta play it out now. I also I play around with it. So now I'm gonna just cast to the left and see what happens. Oof. It's curving a lot to the left, but I'm gonna retrieve a little bit quicker, because the quicker you retrieve, you're gonna get that tension that you want. Also, at the same time, you don't want your line or your braid to curve into the rocks and start grinding on the rocks, which could lead to you getting stuck. All right, I did that. I got a little bit too close to comfort, so I'm just like testing all different casting directions with the crosswinds. Take into consideration the way I cast could lead to my line twisting up, just because the wind. All right? Casted straight. The wind kind of calmed down for a little bit, so I took that opportunity to cast straight. And sometimes it's going to happen. It's not always going to just be blowing. If it's like blowing consistently, like really hard, then that's up to you if you guys want to fish in those kind of conditions or not. But for me, like if it's like moderate, like sometimes like it will get all, oh, see, look, flying twist. Yeah, when it's windy like that, usually it commonly happens because like you're casting it out, your leader is like going like this while the lead's in front, and if the wind is like too strong, it's gonna twist your line into the leader. So if you're fishing in whipping in crosswinds, that usually happens. But if any fishermen that have more knowledge than me knows how to like avoid that rather than, you know, fish somewhere else, let me know in the comments below. But there's some days where I like chance them, like today, so it's like I make content like this. Yeah, good action, good action. Good action on that magic rod. The way it swims, man, is nice. Okay, going against, casting against the wind. The main thing is you want to get that slack under control and get that tension. You want those tight lines, man. You want those lines to be tight and kind of like, you know, get a good retrieval on your lure, because you don't want it to sink too much. Because I gotta take into consideration, I have a heavier egglet than I usually use, so I know this thing is sinking. So if I'm not getting that slack under control, I know that that thing is sinking. And yep, so it's no nibs. What time is it? Gonna go check out a different spot. But yeah, so those are things you can do. You can cast against it, you're still gonna get slack, so get it under control. You cast straight because the wind is blowing this way, you're gonna get your line is gonna go like that, get it under control, retrieve. If you're going this way, it's gonna still blow left. So yeah, the only time you know you got your back against the wind is when it's shooting straight and you feel it. So like, yeah, and plus if the wind feels like it's gonna knock you off the rocks, like kind of be cautious. I don't want you guys getting hurt. But yeah, the wind kind of calmed down, so I shot it straight out. Let's get it. Okay, sorry, I got you guys on my shoulder right now, so checking out another spot to go. The wind kind of calmed down. I should be fishing right now, it's perfect. But also the tide's coming up, so I'm also like trying to find a place where I can stand on the edge of the rocks without getting blown. Because either the wind's gonna blow me off or these waves are gonna crash right on me. But you see, the rocks are wet. Water is reaching. So try one out area. So this place, I'm not gonna try. I can risk them and probably get chance, but you know, we're gonna get the wind on my back. Ooh, I feel it, because now the wind is going this way. So, and that's what you want. If you want the wind at your advantage, make sure it's blowing on your back. It's blowing straight. So when you cast and all that stuff, it blows your line straight. Wind is just like messing up my cast, especially when I load up. My leader kind of like flails around, which ruins the momentum. Oh my god, I think that wave is hammered. Okay. Oh, that guy's coming straight for us, man. Let's see what happens. I'm surrounded. Oh, that came all the way up over here. Yeah, no. I'm I'm out. Go, bingo. Oh shit. There's a freaking monk seal. Holy fuck. Shit. Yeah, there's a freaking monk seal right there, guys. That guy came out of nowhere. Let's just enjoy the moment. He just came out of nowhere. At first I thought it was a turtle. Because I seen something poke his head. I was like, oh, check out, that's a big konu, but it's a monk seal. What's up, buddy? It's coming towards me. Coming on the inside here. Man, you're right where I want to fish, dude. Oh, one more piece shrimp. My gold grub. Yeah. It's like a slow fishing day. It's not the wind or the current or everything. There could be something in the water that's not hungry. It's the middle of the day, so the bites are usually slow in the middle of the day, so that's fine. Just cutting some pieces here. Since this is a good sized shrimp, I'm gonna just cut some chunky side pieces like that. Put a chunker on here. There we go. Nice. We're just gonna chuck it out. I should bring the shrimp closer, but all good. I'm gonna stand right here on this wet rock. Go, nice cast, really far out. Hopefully we get a bite on the outside. That's what I'm trying to aim for right now. Bite on the outside. Oh. I don't know if that was a bite. Felt like it almost got stuck on something, so I'm just gonna pull it in. Oh, 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 Popillo. Oh, nope. Oh. Need elevation. Need elevation. Need elevation. Need elevation. Need elevation. Need elevation. There you go. Oh, snap. No. Are you kidding me? Am I stuck? Oh. Oh, he's right there. Oh. Okay, 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 okay. Need elevation. Need elevation. Oh, no. He's right there. Shit. I see him, I see him. Okay, bring him in, bring him in. Okay, he's on the inside now, that's good. Okay, he's on the inside. He's on the inside, he's right here. He's right here. Oh, that's a big guy. Okay. He's not fighting anymore because he's caught up on the rocks. Oh, bring him in. Okay, oh, oh. Oh, he's trying to fight. He's trying to get out. Oh. Oh, there you go. Oh, there he is, there he is. Okay, he's coming in, he's coming in. Oh, he's right there, he's right there. He's right there. It's right there. Oh, shit. Oh. Gonna have to bring him in. Right there. Woo! Yes, Popio action. Oh. Oh. There you go. Nice. Woo. Yes, Whoa, that bugger's huge. Oh, okay. Nice hit. Whew. 1 hour not catching nothing, and I get this guy. Some nose. Fork. Looking about 13, 14 inches right there. Nice. I really thought I wasn't gonna catch nothing, and that guy went hit right on the outside over here. So you know what? I'm gonna put him in a tide pool somewhere. For the views. Yes, sir. Wow, that thing is beautiful. But yeah, shoots. Whoop. Oh, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Yeah, this pole is like blessed right now. Love the setup. You know, I got the Pen Pursuit 4 20-pound braid, Kuma Hawaii's custom. Windy day, got the wind to my advantage because it's blowing this way, but since the tide just came up, the wind has calmed down. But you know what, since I got a fish in the cooler, might as well just call it, and we'll fish again next time. But thank you guys for watching and all that stuff. Till next time, aloha, tight line, shoot, see you out there, you know, all that good stuff. Yes, sir.